What if I told you that a single action could be the difference between life and death? In emergencies, every second counts, and the right move could save your life or someone else's. From house fires and heart attacks to being lost in the wild, we're breaking down 25 life-saving safety tips everyone should know. No fluff, just real tips that save lives. Let's jump in. Fire extinguishers should be kept in key areas, such as the kitchen and garage, where fires are most likely to start. Make sure everyone in the household knows how to use them effectively to quickly respond to small fires before they escalate into larger emergencies, protecting your home and loved ones. CPR can double or triple the chances of survival for someone who has collapsed from sudden cardiac arrest, provided it's performed immediately. Quick action improves blood flow to vital organs, increasing the chances of recovery and minimizing long-term damage while awaiting emergency medical services. If flooding occurs, move to higher ground immediately. Avoid walking or driving through floodwaters, as they can be deeper and faster moving than they appear, posing a serious risk of drowning. Floodwaters can contain debris and hazardous materials, so it's crucial to find a safe location as quickly as possible to stay out of harm's way. Always inform someone of your hiking route before venturing into the wilderness. Sharing this information ensures that someone will know where you are and can alert authorities if you fail to return. In case of an emergency, this information can be critical in narrowing down search areas and speeding up rescue operations. Keep flammable objects such as paper, cloth, or cleaning supplies away from heaters or other heat sources to reduce the risk of starting a fire. This simple step can help prevent an accidental blaze in your home, protecting your family and property from potential destruction caused by easily ignitable materials. Regularly check your tire pressure, especially before long trips, to ensure safe driving conditions. Underinflated tires can lead to blowouts, reduced fuel efficiency, and decreased vehicle handling, especially on highways. Maintaining proper tire pressure not only extends tire life, but also improves vehicle stability, braking distance, and overall safety. Common signs of a heart attack include chest pain, shortness of breath, and discomfort in the upper body, such as the arms, the neck, or jaw. Immediate action, such as calling emergency services, increases the likelihood of survival by getting medical help as soon as possible. Plan for worst-case scenarios. It's always better to be over-prepared than under-prepared. Having a contingency plan can provide reassurance and increase your chances of handling unexpected situations effectively. A well-thought-out plan can reduce anxiety and allow you to act quickly, ensuring you're better equipped to manage emergencies when they arise. If your clothes catch fire, stop and drop to the ground. Roll to extinguish the flames. Running can fan the flames, making the fire worse and causing more severe burns. This technique helps prevent serious burns or injuries by smothering the flames with body movement and reducing exposure to heat. Know how to signal for help if you're lost or in danger using a whistle, mirror, or bright clothing. These tools increase visibility and attract attention, significantly improving your chances of being rescued quickly. In wilderness settings, being seen by rescuers or passers-by can make the difference between life and death. During a power outage, avoid opening the fridge or freezer. Keeping the doors closed preserves the cold temperature inside, helping your food stay safe for longer periods without spoiling. Each time the door is opened, the temperature inside rises, potentially compromising the safety of your food and leading to waste. If you're choking, you can perform a self-rescue by using the back of a chair to apply abdominal thrusts or using your hands to dislodge the object. Clearing your airway is crucial and could save your life during a choking emergency when immediate action is necessary. Always inform someone of your whereabouts before heading out, especially when going to unfamiliar or potentially dangerous places. This ensures that someone knows where you are and can help if something goes wrong, improving safety by enabling quick responses in case of an emergency or unexpected situations. After an accident, if you're a motorcyclist, Do not remove your helmet unless it's absolutely necessary. Medical professionals are trained to remove helmets safely to avoid causing further neck or spinal injuries. Leave helmet removal to professionals to prevent additional harm during rescue efforts. When in doubt, call for help. You don't need to be an expert to get the help you need. Emergency services are equipped to handle crises and provide the support you may need. Never hesitate to contact emergency services, as their expertise and resources can provide crucial assistance in dangerous or urgent situations. Drive with your headlights on in low visibility conditions such as fog, rain, or snow to increase your visibility to other drivers. This helps you see the road better and makes your vehicle more noticeable, reducing the chances of being involved in a collision. It's essential for enhancing safety during inclement weather. Keep your car doors locked at all times, even when driving, to ensure your personal security. This prevents unauthorized access and protects you from potential threats, especially when you are stopped or stuck in traffic. Locked doors provide an additional safety measure to protect you from criminals and unwanted attention. In remote areas, use a satellite phone or emergency beacon for communication. These devices allow you to send distress signals or call for help even when there's no cellular network coverage available. Satellite phones and emergency beacons are crucial for staying connected in locations where conventional phones and GPS signals are unavailable. Hypothermia symptoms include intense shivering, confusion, and slurred speech. If someone is affected, warm their body gradually by getting them out of the cold and offering warm, non-alcoholic liquids. Sudden temperature changes can cause shock, so it's important to rewarm the body gently and slowly. Know the nearest hospital or emergency medical facility when traveling or living in a new area. Having this information beforehand can save valuable time in case of a medical emergency, improving outcomes. Locating the nearest medical facility and understanding how to get there can be crucial during unexpected health emergencies, potentially saving lives. Always have a backup plan for emergencies while traveling, such as knowing alternative routes or places to stay. Being prepared for unexpected situations can help minimize stress and ensure safety in case of unforeseen problems. Having contingency plans ensures you are never stranded or unprepared during critical situations or emergencies. Keep raw meat separate from cooked food to avoid cross-contamination. Use separate cutting boards, utensils, and plates to reduce the risk of transferring harmful bacteria from raw meat to ready-to-eat foods. Cross-contamination is one of the leading causes of foodborne illnesses, and preventing it is key to food safety. Pack extra food and water when heading into the wilderness, particularly for extended hikes. Unforeseen delays can leave you without enough supplies, so it's essential to be prepared for emergencies. Extra provisions can prevent hunger and dehydration in case of unexpected events, ensuring that you can survive while waiting for help or finding your way out. If caught in a tornado, head to the lowest, most central room of your house, away from windows. A basement or interior room provides the best protection from flying debris and collapsing structures. By avoiding external walls and windows, you increase your chances of surviving the storm and avoiding serious injury. If you believe you're being followed, immediately enter a store, home, or other public space. Notify authorities as soon as possible to ensure your safety and to help law enforcement respond quickly to a potential threat. Escaping to a safe place is vital for avoiding danger and enabling authorities to act swiftly. Emergencies don't wait, and now neither do you. With these 25 life-saving tips, you're one step closer to being ready when it counts most. Hit that like button if you learned something new, and subscribe for more tips that could literally save your life. Stay safe and stay ready.